Hi, how's it guys? So Joey Mullin, King of DIY, he has announced his contest today, and I just want to show some of the tanks that I've created that has been inspired by him, just to show that I'm one of the biggest fans he has. I never actually thought it was possible to keep the fish I'm keeping due to lack of experience in that, and watching Joey Mullin's videos, I've learned a lot, and I could actually say that I've gained the confidence to be able to keep some of the better fish out there. This is my hybrid ray. And since watching King of DIY, I've been very interested in these types of fish. And I did a lot of research and watched a lot of videos on it. And I eventually decided, well, let me get one. And yeah, it's not that easy to find these, and eventually I got my hands on one. And yeah, it's been amazing. This will be my silver arowana. I actually didn't even know anything about arowana. I didn't even know there was a fish like this until I started watching King of DIY. And they're pretty amazing fish. They eat aggressively. Mine is still quite young, still only eating live. When I saw this red-tailed catfish, it wasn't even a doubt in my mind that I needed it, and I got it, and it's been amazing. These are actually in my quarantine tank at the moment. They all came from the same place, out of the same tank. So I'm quarantining them still for another 2 weeks, and then they will be going into their own tanks. Then again, this tank, the King of DIY inspired me to try my tank building skills. I built this tank to separate my betas. With the filter built into it. So yeah, my hang on the back filter is also inspired by Joey, where I've got my intake going through. And I've got some filter wool, bio balls and ceramic in there, and it comes out the other side and it comes into the top here. And it circulates quite well. And I must say, my flow and water quality is doing very well. And that's all thanks to the King of DIY. So thanks Joey for launching this contest. This will be my entry, and I'm sure to make more videos, and I hope that I'm in the picking for this great prize. Yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching.